All right, guys, welcome back to True Boys RC. Today we got that Traxxas K5 Blazer Trx4. I'm gonna see how I do in this rain on the course, baby. Been a while since we've been out here, so let's get it in. Going down to Teeter Totter right quick. Get off of here. All right. Uh-oh, see, Brad, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's gonna be a problem. You gotta put in that hot racing bumper in the back. I'm gonna start off on the first part of the course. It's wet, it's been raining. We're gonna see if it's gonna climb. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock all the wheels. There you go, baby. There you go. All right. Good job. Good job. Oh, we chasing the lizard. It out of there. Good stuff, baby. Let's go back up there if we can make it. Very slippery. Good job. K5 Blazer, the best, baby. The best, baby. That hot racing bumper look pretty good in there. Good job. Thought you was gonna fall down. You did it, brother. Spider web. Good job, K5 Blazer. Let's go, baby. Love it, brother. Uh-oh, slippery. There you go. There you go. No, I got faith in you, baby. Rain, sleet, or snow, baby. Let's go. Almost ran into a stick right there. Good job. I'm gonna rub a little bit. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna be taking pieces of logs and we're gonna be sitting them all throughout the course, man. Soon my guy's gonna come over, Todd, and gonna hook us up. I can't wait. That'll be a good, let's see, let's put something in the way. I think that'd be a good addition to the course. Take some big, some small. All right. Check this out, guys. We got the new addition to the family. We got the Teeter Totter. We're gonna see how my baby tackle the Teeter Totter. Yeah, get down now. Uh-oh. Toto. There you go. There you go. Let's see if we can make this thing leveled out. Let's level it out, baby. Okay, yeah, get that grip. Get that grip, baby. We're gonna level it out. Back up, back up. Uh-oh. Back up. Uh-oh. Test the time, baby. Test the time. Come on. Come on, level that thing out. Level it out, guys. Yeah, we can do it. Look at that. 2 boys RC, baby. A little bit more. I don't want y'all to say, oh yeah, you ain't leveled it out. There you go. Yeah, y'all see it? Level. You're gonna end up putting us a chain over there. There's much more stuff we're gonna be doing to this course, so I know y'all probably say, oh, that's not even hard. I don't care. Go back over that, make sure things is right with my Teeter Totter. Good job, K5 Blazer. My favorite car in the lineup, man. We found these pieces of wood on the side of the road, guys. Most of this wood out here came from a job site, pallets, this and that, man. It's not real expensive to do this. I mean, you have to pay people to do it unless you're doing the work yourself. But other than that, man, screws, nails, bricks we picked up off the construction site, and you can do this. So we're gonna put some more slats on this, man, so we can go over it. You dig? Yeah. Oh, it's coming up for you next, baby. There you go. You are stuck. Ain't no going nowhere. Get off of that. You ain't ready for that, K5. You always trying to do stuff, but it's too early. You ain't even finished yet. You just already want to climb. All right, let's go. Lock them diffs. I tell you one thing, if we was at competitions, this ain't gonna fly. I'm gonna have to do something about this rear bumper and stuff, man. Hope y'all enjoy this, because I really did miss crawling. A couple guys got me back to crawling. Uh-oh, vroom, vroom. Let's go, baby. Good vibes, good vibes. my brother Mobile say. You dig? Always good vibes over here, especially over here at True Boys RC. You come over here, it's gonna be good vibes too. Oh, besides the car falling, everything else is Gucci. Y'all know I'm a stunt devil, so I gotta jump over there. I'm always doing something reckless. Yo, what you thought we gonna get up there? Oh. Pulling stunts now, pulling stunts. K5 Blazer pulling stunts now. Alright, we're gonna go over here one more time. And we out of here. Yeah, I know I had to jump it. Yeah, and I'm still finna jump it. Uh-oh, good thing I came over here because my hook is off. Get that hot, baby. Hit them. That damn rib hook. Guys, what happened? The boat came out. Yep, the boat came out. Alright guys, we're gonna see y'all on the next one. Stay tuned to True Boys RC. I just had to get it in. Yes sir. Peace.